Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vise for workbench that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Gottinfurt updated 2-in-1 bench vise or table vise 4.5 inch. For woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts seeking a versatile vise, the 4.5 inch 2-in-1 heavy-duty bench vise delivers impressive power with its 5,500 pound clamping force and 270-degree swivel base. You'll appreciate the dual mounting options: permanent screw mounting or temporary clamping, the hardened, engraved jaws grip both flat materials and pipes effectively, while the smooth guide rail guarantees effortless operation. Built with high-strength forged steel rated at 60,000 psi, this Gottinfurt vise features a corrosion-resistant coating and robust construction. Despite some concerns about the swivel tightening bar's durability, users rate it 4.5/5 stars for its solid performance in woodworking, cutting, and light metalworking tasks. Moving on at number 4, we have the CTrowelpro Table Vise 3-inch. DIY enthusiasts seeking versatility will appreciate the Table Vise 3-inch with its 360-degree swivel base and robust construction. The high-grade cast steel vise offers a generous 3-inch jaw opening and 3.1-inch jaw width, perfect for various materials and projects. You'll find this lightweight 3-pound vise ideal for woodworking, cutting conduit, drilling, and metalworking. Its non-slip texture jaws guarantee secure gripping, while the oval swivel base allows quick mounting on workbenches up to 2.8 inches thick. The 0.2-inch thickened jaw enhances grip strength, making it suitable for light-duty tasks in your home workshop. At number 3, we have the Shangyoyi 2-in-1 bench vise for Workbench 3.2. This versatile 2-in-1 bench vise excels at both fixed and portable applications, making it ideal for hobbyists who need flexibility in their workspace. You'll appreciate its premium cast steel construction and 40,000 psi tensile strength, ensuring durability for woodworking, metalworking, and other tasks. The vise offers a 3-inch jaw opening with a 3.2-inch width, while its 360-degree swivel base lets you position your work at any angle. It's particularly useful for model making, jewelry, and electronics projects. While most users praise its heavy-duty build and secure grip, some have reported issues with material quality and bolt hole construction. At number 2, we have the VEVOR bench vise. Serious DIY enthusiasts seeking versatility will appreciate the VEVOR 6.5 bench vise's 360-degree swivel base and impressive 4,496 pound clamping force. The 6.5-inch jaw width and 9.3-inch reverse opening give you plenty of room for various projects. Built from 60,000 psi ductile iron with powder coating, this vise resists rust, while its carbon steel serrated jaws provide superior grip. You'll find the large 2.8x 3-inch anvil area useful for hammering tasks. The magnetic jaw pads and included hardware make installation straightforward. While it's ideal for woodworking, crafts, and light repairs, you might want to contemplate heavier-duty options like Wilton or Yost for more demanding tasks. And finally, at number 1, we have the WORKPRO bench vise. For woodworking enthusiasts and small project crafters, the WORKPRO 4.1/2 bench vise delivers impressive performance at a budget-friendly price point. You'll find its multi-jaw design securely holds both flat materials and pipes, while the 240-degree swivel base allows precise positioning. With a jaw width of 4.5 inches and a clamping force of 2,204 pounds, this vise handles most home workshop tasks effectively. The durable gray iron construction guarantees long-term reliability, though you'll need to purchase mounting hardware separately. While you might notice slight side-to-side play in the jaws, it's a minor trade-off considering the vise's versatility and compact footprint. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.